Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and today we'll discuss about last news about Grok 3. After launching a bid to buy OpenAI last week, Elon Musk released Grok 3 through his company, XI. He is calling it the most powerful AI in the world right now. Let's find out it's true or not. We start with the question, what is Grok 3? Grok 3 is the latest AI model positioned as a direct competitor to OpenAI and DeepSeek. The XCI teams claims it's 10 to 15 times more powerful than Grok 3, and based on the benchmarks presented in the demo, it might actually hold its own against the best models on the market right now. What can Grok 3 do? Grok 3 has a few new features. First one, Think Mode. Think Mode is an optional setting that can activate Grok 3 multi-steps reasoning process. Instead of just jumping straight to answer, it breaks problems into smaller steps, evaluates different solutions, and refines its response before outputting a final result. This mode is particularly useful for complex problem solving, mathematical proofs, coding challenges, and logic-based tasks. It mimics human-like thinking, making it ideal for situations where the quality of reasoning matters more than speed. The next feature is Deep Search. Deep Search is a built-in research tool allowing Grok 3 to browse web, verify sources, and synthesize real-time information before generating an answer. Unlike standard AI models that rely on pre-trained data, Deep Search pulls in fresh information, making it ideal for news, market trends, technical research, or fact-checking. This mode positions Grok 3 as a competitor to Gemini's Deep Research and OpenAI's Deep Research. Comparison with other models. A cool dude, Enrich Karpathy, a founding member of OpenAI and former director of AI at Tesla, got access to the newly released Grok 3 and shared a quick vibe check on the model's performance. Based on some standard stress tests, he said that Grok feels somewhere around the state of artillery of OpenAI, strongest models, and slightly better than DeepSeek R1 and Gemini 2 Flash Thinking. After a screenshot of Grok 3 reasoning models outperforming OpenAI's O3 Mini and O1, DeepSeek R1 and Gemini 2 Flash Thinking have gone viral for looking like the most advanced reasoning model, but OpenAI said not so fast. Shortly after these benchmarks, OpenAI product engineer posted an update chart with O3 beating Grok 3 reasoning in the math and science benchmarks. To be fair, O3 has yet to be publicly released, so XCI might not have had access to these scores. Another important moment here was said by Molik in X post, and he said that we should pay attention how fast X got this power. For example, Google and OpenAI have been training models for 10 or around 10 years, but XCI was founded only in 2023. It's remarkable fast. And now we can ask, how was Grok 3 developed? Grok 3 is built on major structure upgrades, new training techniques, and a massive scale up in compute power. One of the biggest challenges in training large-scale AI models is compute availability. To get around this, XCI built its own supercomputer cluster called Calizes. Overall, Grok 3 has been impressive so far, but not perfect. It seems like not the smartest AI in the world, how said Elon Musk. It's powerful, but it has lacks in some areas like others models. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm glad that you are here.